Hello and welcome to a new episode of me, Prefs, and we are going to try out this Gyeom Bath Plus. It's supposed to be a very good chemical or shampoo for the car if you want the hydrophobic effect on it. And well, more or less a review of this one. If you can see any difference, which I hope you can see as soon as we have cleaned the car, we are going to make it a thumbs up or thumbs down. So well, stay tuned and let's see how good this one is. So, first of all, we did the greaser, and this is for organic dirt, and this one is for the petrol dirt. Well, it's asphalt and tar and yeah, all that good stuff. So every time after the organic dirt, go on with the petroleum dirt-ish. Well, yeah, you get the hang of it. Well, this car, I've already done this car with this one, so I have taken away every single, not every single, but 95% of the tar. So this car don't have especially much of the tar dots, and I just noticed I need a new one. And last but not least, Dragon's Breath for this kind of dirt. And well, I already taken this one twice, but these ones, like the well, how can I say it? The brown shit, because in the winter in Sweden we are having salt, and that causes that brownish golden dirt thingy. But this one is the best. The main event, the Gyeom Bath Plus. It's the first time for me, and I really don't know how much shampoo I'm going to use, but I don't know, 3 pushes maybe. Well, I really don't know about this one, but maybe I took too little, so let's try a few more. And I think we are up to 6 or 7. Well, you guys decide. Well, I have taken this much from it, and remember, I took the hood twice. I don't know, maybe, it's maybe right now. So, well, I don't know about the result, but well, it's shiny, but the hydrophobic effects, I don't know, not so much. Maybe it was a too big bucket and too little of the shampoo, or I don't know, but for me it's a cheap one, plus it gets the effect, it does, but yeah. So, well, if you like outside deep clean of the car, and maybe want more of the content, and maybe want to hear more of the company I made, well, press the subscribe button, write a comment, thumbs up, and have a good one, and we'll see you guys in the next one.